Benefits and uses of lemongrass essential oil. Lemongrass essential oil comes from the lemongrass plant, which grows in tropical and subtropical parts of the world. The oil can be bright or pale yellow with a thin consistency and a lemony scent. People have used lemongrass in traditional medicine for pain relief, stomach problems, and fevers. Its antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and antifungal properties may also give it other benefits. Benefits of lemongrass oil may include, 1. Fighting bacteria. The authors of a 2016 in vitro study found lemongrass essential oil to be effective in fighting strains of the Acinetobacter baumannii bacteria. This multi-drug-resistant bacteria can cause pneumonia and blood infections. As the lemongrass essential oil was effective in inhibiting and killing off the bacteria, it could be a complementary therapy in the future for fighting illnesses that do not respond to antibiotics. 2. Reducing inflammation. Chronic inflammation can cause many health problems, including arthritis, diabetes, and some cancers. A 2014 study showed lemongrass essential oil to have potent anti-inflammatory effects in mice with fungal infections. The researchers concluded that while more studies in humans are necessary, lemongrass essential oil may help treat skin inflammation in the future. 3. Providing antioxidants. Antioxidants help fight harmful free radicals and oxidative stress in the body, which may help reduce signs of aging and the risk of many diseases. 4. Combating fungal infections. In the same 2014 study, the researchers looked at the in vitro effects of lemongrass essential oil on specific fungi, including Candida albicans, which is responsible for yeast infections and thrush. The essential oil had a promising antifungal effect, which leads the authors to state that it could have potential use in the treatment of fungal infections. More robust studies in humans are necessary, however, to confirm the effects. 5. Treating stomach issues. Some research has suggested that lemongrass essential oil might help treat issues affecting the stomach. The study found that lemongrass essential oil provided protection against damage in the stomach and could be a potential remedy for these types of ulcers. Furthermore, eugenol, which is a component found in lemongrass essential oil, may help relieve pain and treat stomach upsets and diarrhea. 6. Easing rheumatoid arthritis. Lemongrass essential oil may help reduce the symptoms of rheumatoid arthritis, most likely due to its anti-inflammatory properties. 7. Relaxation and massage. A popular use for many diluted essential oils is for relaxation and massage. One study looked at the effects of lemongrass oil when people use it as a massage oil. In the study, researchers measured the participants' pulse and blood pressure before and after they had a massage with lemongrass oil. Each person received a massage once a week for 3 weeks. 8. Helping headaches. An older study from 2009 argued that lemongrass essential oil might be effective for treating headaches. While there is limited evidence to support this, lemongrass is a common headache treatment in Australian traditional medicine. How to use it. People can add lemongrass essential oil to a carrier oil, such as jojoba or coconut oil, and massage it into the skin. Adding several drops of the essential oil to boiling water and inhaling the steam through the nose, keeping the eyes closed, and covering the head with a towel is another way to use it. People can also add lemongrass essential oil to an oil diffuser. Oil diffusers are available for purchase in stores and online. The concentration levels of essential oils when people vaporize them is unlikely to be dangerous for adults. However, people should be cautious about using diffusers around infants, children, pregnant women, or pets. Essential oils are flammable, so people should take care to keep them away from an open flame. Do not take lemongrass essential oil orally unless following the guidance of a healthcare professional. Side effects. Lemongrass essential oil may irritate the skin and cause a rash. To minimize the risk of skin irritation, a person should avoid applying lemongrass essential oil to the skin if they have allergies or skin conditions, such as eczema. They have not diluted the oil first. They have broken or damaged skin. To check before use, do a skin patch test on a small area of skin, then wait 24 hours to see if a reaction appears before applying the diluted oil more liberally. Lemongrass essential oil can also cause dryness and stinging around the eyes, ears, mouth, and other mucous membranes, such as the genital area. For this reason, it is best not to use it on the face or put the oil into bathwater.